Excavator synthesis. Excavator wrecking ball. The excavator wrecking ball is a classic demolition powerhouse designed to bring down massive concrete and masonry structures through high-impact kinetic energy. Excavator demolition. The excavator demolition machine is a robust powerhouse designed to dismantle structures safely and efficiently using specialized attachments like shears and breakers. Rock will excavator. The rock will excavator is a high-torque cutting machine equipped with a massive rotating wheel designed to slice through solid rock and reinforced concrete with ease. Excavator ripper. The excavator ripper is a heavy-duty, pointed attachment engineered to penetrate and break up extremely hard ground, frozen soil, and solid rock formations. Front shovel excavator. The front shovel excavator is a high-performance digging machine optimized for heavy-duty earth moving and the efficient loading of large haul trucks. Hydraulic breaker. A hydraulic breaker attaches to excavators to demolish concrete, rock, or pavement with powerful blows. It's a key tool in demolition work. Rock saw excavator. The rock saw excavator is a high-performance cutting machine designed to slice through reinforced concrete, granite, and hard rock with surgical precision. Mobile crane. A mobile crane can lift and move heavy materials on wheels, offering great flexibility on construction sites. It's ideal for fast setup and transport. Hydraulic pulverizer. The hydraulic pulverizer is a powerful demolition tool designed to crush concrete and separate rebar with exceptional precision and speed. Excavator mulcher. The excavator mulcher is a high-performance land-clearing attachment equipped with a rapidly spinning drum and heavy-duty teeth to shred vegetation into fine mulch. The excavator magnet is a specialized attachment equipped with a powerful electromagnetic plate designed to lift and transport large volumes of ferrous metal and scrap. Pile driver. The pile driver is a heavy-duty construction machine designed to drive foundation piles deep into the earth to provide critical structural support for buildings, bridges, and piers. Excavator digger. The excavator digger is a highly versatile earth-moving machine equipped with a hydraulic boom, stick, and bucket to perform a wide range of excavation and material handling tasks. Hole digger excavator. The tunnel excavator is a specialized heavy-duty machine engineered for horizontal digging and debris removal within the confined spaces of underground tunnel projects. Excavator grapple. The excavator grapple is a versatile handling attachment designed with powerful interlocking jaws to securely grip, lift, and move irregular materials like logs, rocks, and scrap. Tunnel excavator. The tunnel excavator is a specialized heavy-duty machine engineered for horizontal digging and debris removal within the confined spaces of underground tunnel projects. Feller buncher. The feller buncher is a specialized forestry machine that rapidly harvests trees by gripping, cutting, and gathering multiple stems into neat piles for transport. Excavator clamshell. The excavator clamshell is a specialized digging tool featuring two hinged buckets that join to form a powerful vertical grabbing mechanism. Mini excavator. The mini excavator is a compact and highly maneuverable machine designed for efficient digging and utility work in confined spaces or urban environments. Excavator straddle carrier. The excavator straddle carrier is a specialized machine featuring an elevated, wide-frame chassis designed to traverse and straddle large piles or trenches with ease. Excavator amphibious. The excavator amphibious is a specialized machine featuring large, sealed pontoons that allow it to travel and operate directly on soft terrain, swamps, and shallow water. Excavator shear. The excavator shear is a heavy-duty attachment designed to cut through structural steel, rebar, and industrial scrap with immense hydraulic force. Dragline excavator. The dragline excavator uses a long boom and bucket suspended by cables to dig deep pits and underwater zones. It's essential in mining and large-scale excavation. Scrap grapple excavator. The scrap grapple excavator is a specialized material handler equipped with a high-strength multi-tine grab for efficient sorting and loading of metal debris. Long reach excavator. The long reach excavator is specifically engineered with an extended boom and arm to perform tasks at significant distances and depths beyond the capability of standard machines. Crawler crane. Crawler crane. This crane moves on tracks and offers excellent lifting capacity with high stability. It's ideal for heavy-duty construction and foundation work. Telescopic handler. A telescopic handler, or telehandler, lifts loads to high places using a telescoping boom. It's a hybrid of a forklift and crane. Telescopic excavator. The telescopic excavator features an extendable sliding arm designed for deep-reach excavation and precision work in confined underground environments. Road header. Road header. A road header cuts through rock and soil using a rotating cutter head, shaping tunnels as it advances. It's ideal for mining and underground construction. Power shovel excavator. The power shovel excavator is a heavy-duty machine engineered for high-capacity digging and loading in large-scale mining and earth-moving operations. Bucket wheel excavator. A bucket wheel excavator continuously digs and removes large volumes of earth using a rotating wheel with buckets. It's mainly used in surface mining.